Viewers, today I will discuss some question from radar. Guys, this is the part 1 of radar and part 2 will coming soon also. Guys, first of all, the inspector might ask you, okay, show me the PM test. So guys, this is my JRC model radar. So here you see this corner has a test. So click on here and you see this is the PM. So turn it on, you will see the card wheel on your screen and you see your range now is 24, automatically turn to 24 nautical mile. Okay, you see your card wheel already came on the screen on the PPI. So now you will adjust the BRM. Now you will adjust the BRM and you will check your BRM value. Okay guys, and you will compare this with your manual value. Remember, the inspector will ask you, okay, how you will compare this one. That time you will speak that, sir, I will compare with the manual value. Okay, suppose my this JRC model manual value is 18. So you have to check that if 20% is decrease, means more than 20% is decrease, that means your magnetron need to change. Okay, and remember this PM test means your magnetron performance test. Okay, remember, so you have to understand how to do PM test. And guys, now if I click off, you see turned off and now range is 6 nautical mile. Okay, and guys, one more very important thing is here, you see your gyro heading is now is 212.9. okay, this is my X band radar and this is my S band radar. Here also you see 212.9 is same and this same with my master gyro. You see guys, 213, just 0.1 degree difference. I can match this one also guys. Now I will match. Oh, it's already matched. You see 213. Also you see here 213, so it's already matched. So guys, now I will show you how to change this one also. You can understand very carefully also. So guys, this already matched. You see heading is already matched with your master gyro. This one the inspector check, remember. Okay, and guys, you have to understand that where you will change this heading. Just go to menu. You see this one, click on menu, click on sub menu. You see guys, here guys, for changing this gyro heading, sometime if you see the change, that time you can align this one. How you will align, just go to menu and just here you see go to sub menu 1, sub 1 menu, go to setting 1. You see here set gyro, so you can set gyro here guys. Okay, you see here you can change the value. Okay, suppose I am showing you now 215. okay, 216. okay, suppose this one, now I enter, you see here 216.0. correct? Understand guys how to change? So now I will come put back this one again. Now I will again put 213.0. just press enter. You see now 213, and you can see here 212.9 is nearly similar. Oh, here also same 212.9. you see, and your master gyro is also 212.8. it become 212.8. so it's okay, it's similar. 0.1 is no problem guys. Okay, but if you want, you can make it also exactly accurate. Okay, so guys, you have to understand how to change the heading. Okay, and guys, you see here this is your CPA TCPA. you see CPA TCPA. So remember, if you stay in port stay, that time when the inspector will come, you will check that as per your master standing order as per your master standing order, the CPA TCP is match or not, okay, as per the location, as per the situation, okay. Remember this one also. Suppose you are in coastal, so this should be as per the coastal water CPA TCP. For if you are in port, okay, just make the coastal area CPA TCP put here, okay, or port approach CPA TCP put here, okay. Yes, you can put like that way, guys, okay. So remember this one also, guys. There is one more question from the radar, that is, suppose you have the two radar, okay, X band and S band. Okay guys, now the inspector will ask you, okay, can your X band radar can swap on for S band, means your X band radar can use the S band antenna or not. This is my X band radar, this radar can use the S band radar antenna. So how, that I will show you now. You see here, this is the X band, okay, correct. So you see this marking, so I'll click on this mark. You see guys, this is the cross one, so I will click on here. I'll just press on set. You see here the set, I just press set. After that, just press exit. You see now is initializing, just wait some time. You see guys, here also change, my S band also change, you see. So just press exit also here. Now just press on standby, just press on standby button, okay, press on standby button. You see guys, now you will see, you see guys, this was my X band radar, correct, but you see now this is S band, you see, S band, correct, and that was my S band radar, but you see here now this is X band radar, you see guys, means your X band radar can use your S band antenna. So this is the swap, okay. So this one you have to show to the inspector, okay. So after that you have to return back, so press on here, click on number 1, you see. So just press select, okay guys. After select number 1, just click on set, okay, set. You see number 1 is already selected, you see that one, and there also you see changing, you see guys, this is also changing, same. So just now press exit, so it will initialize, just give some time. And this one also already set, and press exit. You see here already come, you see here already S band coming, you see. So just now press on standby button, you see S band, okay, it's already come. So you understand guys, from where you can change the antenna, you see this one, this from this function you can change, okay, X band to S band, S band to X band, okay, remember guys. So now I'll press standby, you see already coming, you see guys, now this is X band, okay. So guys, like this way you can change, okay. So this is the question also asked by the inspector. Also guys, one more important question is from here, the inspector will ask you, okay, show me the running hour. You see here guys, go to test, okay, you see this button, go to test, you see system information. So click on system information, you see here is total hour, TX time, and total running hour, you see here. So total running hour is 2181 hours, okay. Remember guys, for the JRC model radar, the recommended hour is 4000 hour. After they warrant that you will change your magnetron, okay. So this is the recommendation of running hour for JRC, that is 4000 hour, okay. My one is around 2181 hours, okay. So this one you have to show it to the inspector, okay. Guys, remember, inspector will check your settings, okay. It's all C, gain, rain, all the settings should be perfect. here on the screen also should be perfect. Okay, remember guys, suppose in the port approach time or in the port there is so many clutter is there, so you have to set it very carefully also, so that there is no clutter is there. Okay, try to remove the clutter just. Also guys, some very important things you have to understand from radar, that is how to use the PI. You see here is the PI, how to use the guard zone. ZZ means guard zone, remember, and also a trial maneuver. I'm showing you that one also guys. Submaneuver ARPA AIS. You see here, this is trial. So you see this is the trial. So how to use the trial maneuver, you have to understand also this one also guys. Okay, because normally sometime I use the trial maneuvering mode, but guys, inspector will not ask you for the trial maneuver how to show it, but you have to understand for practical. Okay, so you have to understand how to do the trial maneuver, and this one also you need for the exam also. Okay, so guys, in separate videos I will show you how to do the trial maneuver in full details. Okay, viewers, some days ago one of my friend messaged me that what is this is called CPA ring guys. Okay, this one is called CPA ring, and this is the cloud. Okay, so don't worry about that one. So this is the CPA ring, and how to remove this CPA ring guys. You see here vector is relative now. Okay, so if you make the true vector it will go. Okay, CPA ring will gone. Okay, remember. Okay, so if you put on again relative vector, CPA ring already coming. Okay, you see, now you see one option is here CPA ring. So if you click on here also it will gone. Okay, means you can switch on and switch off your CPA ring. Okay, as per your CPA. Okay guys, and also inside also one option is here. You see in sub 1 menu option, the CPA ring on or off, you can make it on or off. You can make it on off here also. Okay, so guys, this CPA ring is like this. You have to understand this one also guys. Guys, there is one more way to check your magnetron performance, that is by the dB value. You see guys, when we are doing the PM test, this is a PM and this is the bar length, correct? Now around more than 5. Okay, around 5.1 or 5.2 bar length. Okay, so guys, you see this is the checking procedure of dB value bar length. So guys, suppose I got now bar length is 5.1. you see this is the bar length, indication of bar length, and this is the dB value. Okay guys, so this is the relative attenuation. Okay, so as for 5.1 bar length you will get one value, just 5.1 here. So just go up, take from middle. Okay, and check here how much is the dB value. Okay, and your your initial was 8, correct? So 8, so 8 was here. Okay, so you can check your dB value is here. Okay, so you can check the difference of the dB value. Okay, you see guys, here is written if the attenuation value given dA and dB is 10 dB or more, means the difference of these two value is more than 10. If you find the dB value is more than 10, that means it is necessary to request or checking the transmission system of the service to the engineer. Okay, transmitter system, request for checking of the transmitter system by the service engineer. Okay, by this also you can understand that how is your magnetron performance. Okay, because of guys, you see this is initially we are getting this PM bar length. Okay, and day by day it's running and PM bar length will be reduced. Okay, if it is reduced, so if performance is decreased, so your difference of dB also increase. Okay guys, because of your initial was 8, so initially you will get this value around 3 dB value, and if suppose finally the bar length of your PM initial was decreased, so you will get more dB value. So you will see the difference of dB will be more than 10, and if it is more than 10, you see this is also the performance of your radar. You can check like this way also, guys. And guys, one more thing I'm showing you guys. You see this here is the shadow sector, blind sector should be marked near your both radar, remember guys. And guys, here is R-part to be set speed through water for collision avoidance. This is also should be written there. You see here also R-part to be set speed through water for collision avoidance. Okay, remember this one also, guys. Also, one more important thing is this one, magnetron replaced date. Okay, it should be marked. So guys, this is your radar logbook. Okay, so I'm using one logbook for both radar, but before I used two logbook for two radar, but this time I don't have enough logbook, so that's why I'm using one. So you see here also performance testing procedure also here. Also you see here this is for the shadow sector, blind sector also should be here. Also this is the daily page. Okay guys, just look at here carefully. The date, this is the location, time on, time off, in use, weather, visibility, wind and sea condition. And I use this side for X band, this side for S band in remark. Okay, this is signature. So guys, here you have to understand a little bit more. You see guys, this is a TX, this is the X band for X band. TX is 5.1 bar. Okay, this is now you checking the that PM bar length. This is the PM bar length. Okay, remember. And this 5 dB is the difference I shown you also before. This is the difference. Okay, remember. Difference you will find here, guys. Remember. Okay, difference you will find here. Initial was 8 and now you are checking, maybe you will get 5.1. so this difference is the dB. Okay, so this is the difference. So by this difference also you can understand your performance, radar performance. Okay, see here also written, if more than 10 you need to check the transmitter system by the service engineer. Means guys that magnetron also means magnetron is weak, become weak if it is more than 10. Okay, and guys you see here the RX means guys the this one maximum BRM length. Okay, maximum BRM length is the RX. This is for your card wheel. Okay, this is a PM value. So you see now, suppose you find your RX is 17.2 and for 17.2 your dB is 2 dB. So how you find? You see for this page is for TX, checking the TX one, and second page you see opposite page, this is for that one RX for 18 mile or 17 mile. Okay, suppose here 17.2, if it is 17.2, suppose it's here. Okay, this is 18, this is 17, so 17.2 is suppose here. So just go up in between, remember always take an in between. After that just go here, you see it's around 2 dB. Okay guys, around 2 dB. So this is the 2 dB. Okay, so remember like this way you can write your PM means this TXRX in your radar logbook. Okay, remember guys, the inspector sometimes check, so you just follow this way, and inspector wants that you write like this way. And if inspector asks, okay, how you check this one, that time you have to explain it by this one and by this one, remember. So you have to know how to use this one and how to explain this one, guys. If you further also if you have some problem about this, just message me. Okay, if you don't understand clearly, if you, that you can message me some more, I will clarify some more. Okay guys, so guys this is, and guys you see this is the level performance level information also you can find. Here is the initial one 18. Okay, and you can find when your magnetron change, that time also you have one information level here. You see this is, so you can check that one also, guys. Also guys, I already told you before that your this CPA TCPA should be as per your master standing or order as per your location. Okay, remember. And you have to now to do the PI how to do guard how to do test, and also how to show the timing, means running hour. Okay, remember very carefully. Okay guys, so guys, this I discussed some from the radar, so I think you can understand the questions, that how inspector check this one and how he wants, means how he expect from you. So guys, I think you can take preparation for this. And guys, I will make some more videos for the radar, because so many topics in radar you have to understand, some basics also, so I'll make that one also guys. So thank you too much, bye bye.